In today's video, I will walk you through how to number rows automatically in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Google Sheets. Once you're inside, open the spreadsheet you want to work on or create a new blank one. Go to column A, which is usually where row numbering is placed. In the first 3 cells, type 1, 2, and 3. This helps Google Sheets understand the pattern you want to continue. Next, highlight those 3 cells together. Look at the bottom right corner of your selection and find the small blue square known as the fill handle. Move your cursor over it until it changes into a plus sign. Then click and drag it down through the rows you want to number. As you drag, Google Sheets will continue the sequence automatically with 4, 5, 6, and onward. That's it. Your rows are now automatically numbered in Google Sheets in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.